Assalamu alaikum. Halkani Cartoon versus BBC News. We will be asking people where they're from. Hello, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Where are you from?
I am from Somalia.
What's your language?
Somalia.
What's your religion?
Islam.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Assalamu alaikum.
Now I'm going to look for another person.
Oh, hello, madam. Hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from Somaliland.
Which language do you speak?
Somali.
And which religion are you from?
I am Islam. Now we got a war here.
Assalamu alaikum.
Where are you from?
I am from Dhallaan.
What's your language?
My language is Somali.
And what's your religion?
Islam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Now we got Yaya here.
Hi.
Where are you from?
I'm from Woodland.
Which language do you speak?
Somalia.
Which religion are you?
Islam.
Okay.
Brothers and sisters, stop killing each other. You're all from the same country. We all Muslim. Fear Allah. There's no reason to kill each other. Assalamu alaikum.